Yeah, I don't know. I need to run out of the house this early morning, so to avoid argument with my wife, because something happened last night. Um, I think a lady called me around after 12, and the phone was really on loudspeaker. She was like, she said, "Where am I? Where are you? Please." She wants to see me. She wants to tell me something important. I don't know. That very like after 12. So, and my wife was fucking right there, listening to the fucking conversations and everything. She was down there. I don't know. It got to a point I was just looking like a dummy, just looking like an idiot. But I just have to like run out of the house right now and come and hide inside the car, because to avoid an heated argument. I know she's gonna be mad with me. She's there. There, Alpha.
What are you doing inside the car?
Nothing now.
Why you be saying nothing?
Are you okay?
I should be asking you, are you okay?
Nothing.
Like seriously, what have you been doing inside the car since morning? You left this bedroom and came inside the car. I've been searching for you all about.
Nothing. I'm fine.
You are fine. And you can say that again. What? Okay. Yeah. What happened yesterday night?
Nothing.
You can't tell me nothing.
What happened?
What happened yesterday? A lady called you around almost 12 o'clock yesterday night. Was telling you, the phone was on loudspeaker, mind you. Was telling you, where are you? I missed you.
She didn't say I miss you. She was only asking if I'm home, that she wants to tell me some things. That's what she said. She didn't say she
and you were not even, you don't have this confidence, you don't have this boldness to talk while you were in my presence.
I don't understand. What do you want me to say? What do you expect me to say? What will I say? I'm not getting you.
Okay, I'm not even disputing the fact that that lady called you that yesterday night. I wasn't even looking at your side. But you not
see
after listen to me. Let me talk. Yesterday night when the phone rang, I was the one that even told you that your phone was ringing. Yeah, when you picked the call, I was expecting you to even tell me who called after the conversation, but you didn't mention anything, and you did as if nothing happened. If you were to be the one, how will you feel?
I don't. What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? Seriously?
See, let me tell you something. Someone called me yesterday around after 12.
Okay.
Okay, and then she was just a friend. She just want to know.
There you go again.
She was just a friend now. She was a friend. She was asking me where am I, that she wants to tell me some things, that she just to talk to someone. I don't understand.
Oh, yeah, you are not the confident. Oh, God. See, let me tell you something you don't know about me. I have been telling you something.
Hold on, calm down.
Don't tell me to hold on.
Calm down, just calm down. See, there's something I want to tell you. I know I'm at fault. A lady called around that half time. You understand? And I should have at least switched off my phone. But in case of any emergency or something might come up, or anybody might need my assistance, like, you understand now. So that was why my phone was on. Are you getting the fact now? But the fact that someone called me after 12 yesterday, I know I'm at fault. Maybe I'm sorry.
You are not. Yes, wait. For the fact that someone called yesterday, you are not at fault. But you are at fault when you can't even say it to your wife that this is what happened. Even if it's your mother that called that yesterday night, and you be like, okay, it's my mom that called. There's no need of telling her, hey, Shebi, it's not anybody that called, it's just my mom. You have to tell me, because I will be thinking something else. If you were to be the one, if it was my father to call me.
I'm sorry.
No, I just want to clear some things.
See, I'm sorry.
If it were to be my father, I will have to tell you, because you'll be thinking otherwise.
Honestly, I
you have to carry me along so that I will not be having this.
Hold on, baby.
This silly imaginations.
Calm down. See, I don't understand the fact that I'm at fault there. You understand? I know I'm at fault, but I shouldn't just blame myself because someone called me. I had nothing to do with that. She was just a friend.
I am not
I had nothing
disputing.
to do with that.
See,
But the fault is, see, this is why I'm at fault. At least I should have tried and explained things to
yes,
you last night and tell you, baby, this is what happened. This is what, but I know you. I know if I tell you things at that particular time, it's gonna bring something else.
it won't bring anything.
It might
You should
wait,
have at least.
it might
Yesterday,
wake our
did you know
neighbors.
I really want to come close to you?
Yeah, you go again.
Yes.
Or I'm sorry.
You destroyed everything. Seriously, I was so ready for you yesterday.
Can we just end this conversation, please?
How are we going to end this conversation?
I said I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I think I will be switching off my phone from now.
You don't need to switch off your phone. Just carry
What
me
should I
along.
do?
Whatever. Okay, if anybody calls, if you can't tell me the details, this to person. Don't worry, we'll talk about it tomorrow.
Alright, sorry. Sorry. I always carry you along.
You don't mean it.
I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm sorry. Is that fine?
Yeah, let's go inside. I still want you.
I'm coming. I'll meet you inside.
What do you want to do?
I'm coming.
No, we are going inside together.
Honestly, I'm coming.
Baby, you give it to me very well.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
See, I'm sorry now.
I said I'm sorry. I meant I will I keep repeating myself. I said I'm sorry.
You not kiss me. Hey! Hey! Jerry, I see someone else. Kiss me mouth to mouth. Hey!
Stop now. Stop.
Alright, then. Yeah, your food is ready.
Alright, thank you. Wahala. Actually, it was really my fault yesterday. That's not what called me, and there is a lady. Actually, she was a lady and she was a friend. They could have bought something, like bring some serious issues yesterday. If I don't know. Thank you guys.